Today, I'm going to talk about the often quoted Gartner finding or research that more than three quarters of enterprises will actually use four or more low-code platforms within their enterprise by the year 2024. So I'm going to talk about why I kind of believe and strongly believe in this. So the reason I agree with this finding is that while we talk about low code platforms as a category, really there are many subcategories within that, and not every low code platform really brings the same thing to the table. And each of them have very different, functions and different reasons why they have to be should be used within an enterprise. So I'll give you three examples. Right? So there are low-code platforms which are really vertically focused. So you will find platforms which would say that, this is really your banking platform, but you can really customize it as much as you want because we are giving you this low-code interface to customize your banking solution. And so that is one category of low code platforms which are really vertically focused. And of course, you are not going to, as an enterprise, you are not going to use that low code platform to necessarily build anything other than your core banking side solutions. Then there are other platforms which are focused probably more horizontally. But even when they're focused horizontally, they're focused on certain use cases. Right? So when I say they're focused horizontally, they're probably saying that our platform could be used by many different industries. So it could be banking, it could be insurance, it could be automobile, it could be many such industries who could use the platform productively. However, the use case that they are focusing on are probably again in a particular area. So as an example, there is, for example, there could be a platform which is focusing on enabling business users to build collaboration tools for themselves, where they can use this low code platform to build a project management or a file sharing or collaboration tool which fits their own internal style of working. And they could be definitely used across industries. They could be used across different departments within a same enterprise as well. But they are probably not building core enterprise applications. So the enterprise application lifecycle management or the security, such needs will be different, and they don't have to worry about such needs. However, they must build a solution which is very user friendly, and business users can build these simple applications really quickly. I can talk about WizardGauss. So WizardGauss, we are focused on building a low-code platform which is for targeted towards digital transformation projects of large enterprise, mid to large enterprise. Right? So there, of course, we are targeting building core enterprise solutions, but again, it is not vertically focused. So multiple different industries will find use cases for it. But these applications have to go through a lot of security checks. They have to pass all the security, compliance of the organization. They have to also sit within the core of the enterprise who should participate, and be, one should be able to use them as any other enterprise core application, and it should have all the debuggability and complex solution building, testability, deployment flexibility, where you can build a CI/CD pipeline and be part of your application lifecycle management. All of that capabilities have to be present. Right? So I talked about three such very different kind of use cases and different type of platforms who are focusing on different things, and there are definitely more. And that is primarily why I believe that a particular enterprise will have need for all these different variations, and hence they will use different low code platforms for these different use cases. Hope that helps. Thank you.